So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and also a career guidance related to CEH exams, certified ethical exams, or also how you can land your first cybersecurity job after clearing the certification. So, as you can see, I have already uploaded so many videos related to CEH, and apart from that CEH, I have also uploaded many other videos related to how you can land your first cybersecurity job, how you can become an anonymous on internet, how hackers basically hide their secrets inside an image, how you can attack or compromise an machines with with the help of an Excel file, with the help of an image file, and many other videos I have uploaded. So if you guys new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel because you will get a very informative videos on my channel related to the exam stuff. So without wasting time, we'll come back to our today's topics. As you know, I have already uploaded a video related to the CH Engage practical labs, how do you can solve these practical labs and get hands-on experience with your tools and other scripting things. So now we are going to see that part second of that particular thing. Okay, so in this video guys, we are going to solve a question or say the challenge which is related to the DVWA, damn vulnerable web application. If you don't know what is this, you can just go on the internet and you can do the search about this. With the help of this, you can test your web application attack. You can do the web application attack to get hands-on experience with all these things. So now in this, we are going to solve this challenge 13. For that, what I'm going to do, I'll simply open my Chrome browser first. So basically what they are telling you, a file name hash.txt has been uploaded through the DVWA. Basically a file which name is hash.txt has been uploaded through the DVWA on this particular IP. So what I'll do, I'll try to access this IP and they give in the username and the credentials, which is username and username is admin and password is password. Okay, so we'll simply log in this, and now they are saying to basically we need to find this find this file, and we need to convert that data which is encrypted in the MD5 into plain text. That will be our flag. Okay, so to find that flag we need to simply what we need to do, we need to first do some settings. So we'll come here, we need to do the some setting in the DVWA security. Okay, let me do, let me scroll it. Okay, I think it's stuck. Let me just do one thing again. Let me just reload this thing. Or if I'll come here, launch practice range again. Okay, so it's taking some time. The instructions cannot be loaded. So let me just wait. Or I wish it will work. Okay. So now it started again. Let me just close this. Let me switch to switch 1 workstation, and then we'll come back to workstation 2 again. Then it will work. And yeah, it's working now. So what we have to do, we need to do some settings. So what I'll do, I'll come back in my DVWA security, and instead of impossible we need to select the low one. Okay, the reason behind to selecting the low, because if we'll not do the changes into the low, it will not going to work, it will going to give the many errors. After doing that, we need to come here and we need to go into the command injections. Okay, after coming to the command injection, just simply type this command // type to check what access we have, what are the things we can do. So as you can see, we have all this access, and we can see the help commands related to this. Now basically what they are telling you, they are telling to basically find the directories, or say find the hash.txt into inside the directory. So the directory is this, or say the path. So what I'll do, I'll simply try to access this path. Okay, // type, then basically then simply copy and paste this, or sorry, you cannot copy and paste this, you need to just simply try to access this particular path. Okay, once you will do the submit, after doing the submit, let me just come scroll it down, or come back to again here. Okay, so it's lab getting stuck again and again. Let me just log in here again, launch practice range. The labs are very laggy guys, so make sure if you are sitting in the exam, your system should have a good configuration, and in your internet should be have a good speed. Okay, so let me just close it out. Let me access this particular directory again, and now if I'll submit and scroll it down, as you can see here, let me just scroll it down more. Okay, yeah, so if I'll scroll it down again, let me just leave this one. So you can see we got converted data, which is a MD5 algorithm, which used MD5 algorithm to basically convert the data into encryption format. Okay, the data was into the plain text, and with the help of MD5, as you can see, they use the MD5 hash to convert that plain text data into an encryption form. So now we found out that our encrypted data, now we are going to decrypt that. Okay, so for that I'm going to use the crack station. You can also use the MD5 decryption. Okay, but in my case I love to use the crack station to crack the encryption format data into the plain text. Okay, so let me just scroll it down to check any other things are left or not. No, click on the verify. Okay, it's taking us a little bit of time. We'll wait for a seconds more. Or let me just launch practice range again. In my case it's getting stuck again and again, but make sure in your case it will not. And yeah, as you can see guys, we have successfully find out our flag, and this is our flag, basically crack 3DRD. And if I'll submit this again in front of you, okay, so as you can see, CRA at the rate CK3D, and if I do the submit and check, yeah, as you can see the answer was correct. So hope you understand guys how you need to solve this question. If such types of question will also come in the exam, I'm not saying that it will definitely come. I'm just saying you that if such types of question related to the DVWA will come in the exam, you need to follow the same steps to solve this question. So hope you guys you enjoy this video, you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will come with another such videos. So for now that's it guys, we'll meet in the another video. Thank you.